YouTube fam, Fat Man Zoom here. I want to talk to you about a stock that I think should double easily by the end of the year. That stock is Drive Shack. We got some awesome news. I want to go over the news that they released, the subsequent run up. We'll look at the fundamental analysis, and then we'll talk about some potential technical, and we'll look at the technical analysis, so entries on that. First, let's talk about what's going on. So I'm going to share with you the news release that landed in my inbox about an hour ago from Drive Shack. Drive Shack, ticker symbol DS. Let me pull this up. All right. So at about 12:30 p.m. Eastern time, we get this news release. And as you can see the headline, the Drive Shack announces collaboration with professional golfer Rory McIlroy. And what's really cool is it's actually specifically geared towards the Puttery, which is their indoor mini golf experience, which hasn't launched yet. They're planning on launching it in summer of 2021. So this year, mid-year, hopefully. But I expect by the end of 2021. Here's some highlights. What I liked about it is he's actually investing in the company. So he's got skin in the game. He's going to be incentivized to promote this product even more. We've talked about the Puttery in the past. We think this is huge opportunity for growth. The ROI on this is bigger than their outdoor experiences. The break even is shorter time frame than the outdoor experiences. So by all indications, they're planning on opening both, but really their focus is going to be on this Puttery, and it's sort of going to be the driver of traffic and revenue from them to their bigger locations later on. So love that. The other thing I wanted to point out is just the growth of the Puttery. So if you see here, they expect to open their first location in Dallas, Texas. That's I believe that's where he's from. And then after that, they're going to open Charlotte, North Carolina, which they have a presence in. They're going to have a large locations presence in there as well. So they'll also have the Puttery and then the large outdoor experience. And then 5 locations by the end of 2021 and 10 additional locations by the end of 2022. We know construction could be challenging, so timelines are really tough to hit. But if they even hit half of these targets, this could spell huge things for the company. Lastly, I want to mention, before we get into the technical analysis, I want to mention that I don't think this is the end of partnerships. So they've been looking to spend money. They've been freeing up some capital. I think Rory McIlroy is only the beginning, but I love the name. I love the headline. It looks like they're going to make a strong push, especially with increased competition. We know that Topgolf's their main competition. There's other people coming to the market, especially from an indoor perspective, which I think the opportunity lies. So what say you? We look at the technical. So news came out, broke out today. So this is the 4-hour chart. Went all the way up, around 320. It's sitting almost $10% up today at 279. It's been, you can see it's been sort of in this area between 240 and 260. The high today was 321, but it broke out of that. And I'm looking at sort of 3 different spots for this. So we need to talk about the account type. I think this is best for a long-term swing and a long-term investment account, but really long-term swing, I think, is a prime time. If you want to try to do a short-term, that's cool, but Drive Shack's been really choppy and really fickle, so it's a little bit dangerous. Just keep a tight eye on it if you do a short-term trade on this or a day trade on this. But I think this is setting up perfectly for a long-term swing. And what is a long-term swing account? That's defined as basically I'm saying longer than a quarter, but really up until the year. I'm looking at it throughout this year. And with the plans for the summer and the launch of the Puttery, we should be getting some sales towards the end of the year. And also towards the end of 2021, we should get a clearer picture of 2022. And we know that the market is forward-looking, so this should all play out really well for this stock. Where can it go? So for me, I'm already in it. I think that if I wasn't in this stock, 240 is a great level for it. Anything essentially below 250, I'm looking to add if it could stay above 275. So if it comes down back below 250, I'll add because of this news. But if it shows that it can stay above 275, which I'll wait till really Friday, I'm looking for the day to see what happens if there's a sell-off. I'd look to add to see that continuation, but 275 kind of like that spot where this I think by the end of the year. My target has always been $4 for the stock. I've been in it since sub $1.50, and I think that $4 is easy for this stock, but really for the end of the year, I'm looking for this to be above a $5 stock. Long-term investment account. If this company can manage itself well, this should be long-term looking at $10. So we're talking about years from now, this could be a $10 stock. But all in all, this is great news. Anybody that's been following me knows that I've been a big fan of this stock. If you've been to a Drive Shack, you know the opportunity that lies there. Really, it's about them managing their money and reopening. I think this is a great reopening play, and hospitality. These are the first things that come back because they're built for social distancing. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave some comments. Let me know if you have Drive Shack, when you're looking to get in. Really think about your exit strategy on this. I'm still waiting for this to play out. I'm waiting for the whole year. I'll hold on through the whole year. But if this hits 5, I'll be starting to thinking about taking profit. So thanks, guys. If you guys want to check me out on the Chaos, I go live every Sunday for Stock Watch Sunday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. See you at the next video. Peace.